Hey, what's up, crew? Today we have Karen, we have Heidi, and we have the beautiful Gwen. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade chicharon. All right, now let's see if we can find a little bit of the goods. There it is.
It's actually pre-cooked.
Okay, so it's pre-cooked. What is that?
Back fat.
So it's not soft, it's cold. It's been sitting in the refrigerator, right? You have purchased it from where?
Yeah, but this is
where
from
did
Pampanga.
Pampanga. Bought from Pampanga?
Specialty from Pampanga. Pampanga's specialty, yes. So,
okay, so here it is. Let's get a good close-up.
pig's back fat yung tawag yan. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, that's the pig back fat.
Chicharon.
Chicharon, everybody knows that.
Yeah.
All right.
So what are we doing now? We're heating up the oil.
All right, so I'm going to go step by step on how we make this wonderful
Chicharon.
snack, right?
Yeah. Go. Way past
Go
that,
into
ano.
the kitchen.
Go into the kitchen.
All right, so first thing is we get some oil to go.
We have
Right?
to boil the oil muna.
Okay, boil the
What
oil.
if it's not boiled? What will happen to your chicharon? It will become makunat.
Hang on, let me go this way.
It will become makunat. Gabi, stay away.
Okay,
So what's makunat in English?
Okay, you do it.
It won't be as crunchy as, you know, not a good crunchiness.
so what?
Overload.
The hotter the oil is, the more
Sorry, I'm stupid today, sorry.
the more the oil boils, the hotter it gets, the more crunchier the chicharon will become, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
If
Now,
it's low temperature, then if you want to reach the
The crispiness
that you want to achieve.
the crispiness peak.
Oh my God! Why do we have to talk in English today?
Oh, you know what? Hey, let's do. Okay, so we just spoke in English, right?
Okay.
Some would call us.
It's time to dip the chicharon.
All right, we're dipping. Hang on, folks. Here we go.
Wait lang. We have to
Oh,
wait.
we're still waiting.
Boiling na?
Okay, we're still waiting. So
to be,
since we have this time to wait,
we have to be
There's a lot
at the boiling point.
hang on. I promise I'll get it out.
Boiling point now!
Okay, so since we have some time to kill, right? We have a lot of Filipinos that watch this channel, which is really cool. So thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, come on, subscribe. Now, can you tell me in Tagalog exactly what we're doing?
Nagluluto kami ng chicharon. Itong chicharon na to, these are pre-cooked and this was ordered from US po. From Pampanga po. Sorry.
Okay.
Ayan. It's their local, specialty ng Pampanga.
Okay, now let's start na. Okay, go na.
Oh, pwede na ba yan?
Super na, oh. It's super.
Ayan, okay. Make sure you don't go near there because it might splatter.
It's fine. It's fine.
It won't splatter ba?
No naman.
Crowded, Madam Ski, ha? Okay.
Yeah. So, high heat, like boiling point.
At the boiling point of your life.
You know, when you make pancit, you cannot change it na once you get burned. So, be careful. Not your...
So Heidi is being very careful, dropping the pork into the pot.
Yan, kailangan mo siya iganyan-ganyan. O, see?
Ooh.
See?
Wow!
Nicely.
Chicharon!
Let's do a chicharon. Do the chicharon. Very nice.
Instant chicharon, but
Look at
then...
Uy, i-on mo yung exhaust mo.
Ikaso mag-iingay.
Okay.
So,
Looking
there.
good.
So, you can't put too much chicharon.
Yeah, hindi
Yeah,
pwede siyang...
cannot be overcrowded.
Ganon. We are overcrowded here in the
But we
kitchen.
are not overcrowded in the kitchen.
Then ano mo rin siya? Kailangan mo rin siyang yung antag nito.
Good.
I know, my goodness.
My goodness. Where's the You know what? Filipinos, when we eat chicharon, we dip it into a spicy
Suka.
vinegar. Yes.
Yeah.
Spicy vinegar.
With garlic.
Spicy vinegar with a lot of garlic to avoid the high blood.
Oh, to avoid the high blood pressure. That will help.
This is cholesterol.
Oh, okay.
So you're putting cholesterol in your body, so you have to fight it with garlic, with spice,
Gotta fight it.
the chili, and you have spice vinegar, right?
Wow, it's looking very good.
Si Sre, tignan mo, kaya na ba? Kulang pa, no?
Tagalan mo kunti kasi nakuha. Ang ginawa namin kahapon.
How many bags do you have? Is this your only bag?
No, I still have one more.
Oh, okay.
Walang minutes, tansya lang.
Because we may cook all of it.
Not professional cook.
We're not professional.
Tansyahan mo.
Yeah.
It's tansyahan,
Yeah,
you know.
tansyahan means you just test it if it's okay now.
Then you can eat na. If not yet, you put it back.
If not enough, put it back.
By the way, I'd like to introduce to you Karen.
Where is Karen?
Karen?
Let's say hello.
Karen!
There's
Ay,
Karen.
pakilala niyo si Karen sa ano.
That's
Baka
Karen.
mamaya makahanap siya ng darling niya
Yeah.
kapag dyan.
Karen is actually single, no?
Single and available.
Single and available.
Ready to mingle.
Oh my goodness.
Single and ready to mingle.
Parental guidance is advice.
Guys,
Hey,
makikita ng mga classmates.
If you want to know Karen, just leave a comment below. Keep it rated PG.
Okay, I think it's
Uh-oh.
done na.
I think it's already.
Be careful, don't burn your hand.
Wala tayong ano, paper towel girl, naubos.
Wala na. Strain mo na lang.
Wow, looking good.
It will not feel sticky. Oh. Do you have a strainer?
I don't want to get in her way.
Ay, puta ka.
Parental guidance is
Is
advice.
needed. Putra, gusto.
Takot ka rin pala sa akin.
Yes.
Diyos ko, madam.
Kailangan na meron kang ganun hawak na takip.
Sorry if it's a little bit shaky, folks. I'm trying to extend a little bit so I can not be in Heidi's way.
Oh, he's scared of the...
I'm scared of the oil.
Yeah, no, don't worry. The oil will not be squirted.
Sige, try na muna.
Pakinggan mo na siya, Bin.
Wow, look at that. There's Karen again, folks.
Crispy. Karen is handling the Chicharon.
Yeah. There's a Karen. Here's Karen, and here's
Here's a Chicharon.
Karen's Chicharon.
Okay.
You wanna be Karen? No, we're just having fun, guys. Okay. No offense meant with the name Karen.
No,
Yeah.
my goodness, that's true.
It's
There might
a
be some
total
Karens out there.
coincidence.
Hey, she's Karen. She's not offended. So if you're offended, then you can hang up. No big deal. All right, so here we are with the Chicharon.
Mainit
Ladies,
pa. Mainit pa.
okay.
Yeah.
It was still
Oh,
hot,
she's
right?
going for the second batch.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
More to come. Hang on.
More to come.
Let me loosen this up. There we go. Now it's loose. Nice. There we go.
Chicharon! Baby, you have to
Do the
take a photo
chicharon.
of the chicharon, the cooked chicharon. And put it as your cover, right?
Ay, mamaya pag madami, no? Yung
Yeah.
ano, kumbaga, finished product natin.
Yeah.
Heidi, thank you so much for allowing us to be inside Heidi's kitchen.
Oh,
She is preparing the Chicharon.
Chicharon, our homemade chicharon.
Yeah, or homemade.
Freshly cooked.
Freshly cooked, yeah.
Yeah.
Straight from the Philippines.
Straight from the kitchen.
I heard that when you go back to the States, you're not allowed to carry in chicharon anymore.
Who said? Who
Bring
said?
in chicharon.
Who
No,
says
only in the
Who says
Muslim
such
country,
nonsense?
Glenn.
When?
Seriously? I never heard that.
Only in the Muslim country not allowed.
No,
Oh, yeah, I
also
guess
in
pork.
the States.
Nah, the States, maybe not.
Babe,
We eat everything.
no, did you not hear about bringing in chicharon?
Let me find out.
Yeah,
Hey, so-
we have to clear that up, because that's what I've heard, that when you are going to travel, or if you're a Filipino going back to the States, I heard that chicharon right now is not allowed to bring in your.
That's crazy. If that is true or not true, hey, let us know. Comment below. Let us know
Yeah,
if that's the
that's-
case.
that's what I heard.
If that's a fact. Am I allowed, when I go back to the States, am I allowed to bring some Chicharon onto the aircraft?
Yeah, that's what I
Now,
heard.
maybe in my luggage check-in. I mean, not yet. My check-in luggage, I could.
Hand carry or what?
But
Hand carry, I
before,
guess not.
yeah, when he was in the States, I was able to send Lapid's chicharon. It's a particular brand
Yeah, yeah.
here in the Philippines. They make good chicharon, and then I was able to send it through post office.
Right.
Yeah. And
USPS, yeah.
yeah, he was able to receive it, but now I am afraid to do that because of that.
That rule.
Yeah, that rule, that policy.
Huh, well, you know, I haven't heard of that, so if somebody has, please help me out, because I'm coming home with some Chicharon. You know?
Yeah.
Especially now.
Especially when I'm going to come back to Heidi's and grab some of her Chicharon. All right, let's find out what's going on here in the kitchen.
Init-init yan, ganyan ka.
So find out, everybody.
Kasi kailangan mo siya laging haluin.
Pero wala ka ba ibang sandok mahaba?
Wala na.
Mainit na.
Ewan ko kay
Kunti-kunti pang...
Get another view.
I think it's okay na, don't burn it.
Hindi kasi baka hindi luto na naman makunat yung loob.
Baka kasi
Really?
magkunat. Yeah.
Magkunat. Yeah. I actually want Coke with chicharon.
Wala naman pa yung ano.
You wanted to have wine, but with chicharon, I think this is very good with beer.
Oh,
Yeah, we call it a beer match.
is it really?
Yeah.
Well, since we're talking about beer, cheers, everyone. All right.
I'm getting
Now, this is your
mine.
Philippine beer. It kind of reminds me of Michelob Ultra in the States.
Grabe na amoy na.
You know, it's, oh, there she is.
Send me blood.
Are you in?
Yes.
There she is. Beautiful Gwen. So
And
yeah, you
light.
know, it tastes like, it's a light beer.
It's light.
If you're
Tastes
trying
light.
to, if you're trying to stay in shape or not drink too many calories, then I guess this is okay, you know?
Oh, no, this is not.
It's all
okay,
about...
this is the best.
Yeah.
This is not just an okay beer. This is the best beer.
All right, here we
I'm
go.
a Filipino.
Let's check it out. Let's see what she's doing over here. Ooh.
Okay, there you go. Bigyan ka ba?
Got a little smoky in here.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. We're done.
Okay, okay.
Show
Karen!
Okay, show Karen.
Okay.
There's Karen.
Chicharon.
Alright, and the lady, go closer to the chicharon.
This is so crunchy. You wanna hear it? Uy, mainit pa.
Hot pa yan?
No.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
they
focus
forgot.
this. Focus this, focus.
Is it hot? Too hot?
Wait lang.
You got it? You got it?
So that, hang on, yeah. So that you have a good photo of the
Here.
chicharon.
I like it.
Yes. Oh, naputulkan pa siya.
What a good photo. Right there. And now, here's Bod
Let's check it
with
out.
Karen. I wish our vinegar. Asang
Let
suka.
them hear
Good.
how crunchy it is, okay?
All right, check this out.
Kasi hot pa siya. Check it out.
Oh.
Oh my, baby, you're too... I can't eat it. I have a crown. Sorry ka na lang.
You gonna
Yeah.
slap your head.
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah.
Courtesy of Heidi, thank you.
Thank you, Heidi.
Welcome. Yes.
Hi to
We are in her humble abode. You know, we always feel welcome in this house.
Go, you try it na. With the
There's
vinegar.
Yeah, there's the vinegar.
Wow.
Do you know how to eat it?
Yeah.
But you
You dip it lang.
dip it on the
Dip
Dip
it
it
in?
like it's hot. Dip it like it's hot.
Then you show how crunchy it is. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
You crack it. You crack it in your mouth.
Don't forget to take your maintenance.
Oh, Madam Sim, makuna siya.
Is it?
How's the skin? How's the skin on that one?
Okay na yan. Ang init-init kaya niya.
Baka mainit pa kasi siya.
Yeah.
Ba siya nahanginan?
Oo.
Okay. But I think later. Because
You
now
wanna eat, Gabby?
still hot.
Nauna ka
You
na.
don't feel the crunchiness yet.
It's crunchy
Oh, you're
enough.
right. Can you hear it?
Kana!
It's in your mouth. How can I hear it?
Makunat ng baby later. Because still not so...
We just have to wait. Baka kulang pa konti.
Yeah.
Try.
Here, show yourself. Oh, wait, that's loud. Go.
Hi. We're gonna. Let's go, Heidi. Let's go.
Mainit pa kasi kailangan siguro pa
Okay lang.
How about all the ladies at one
Yeah.
time?
Okay.
Go tayo.
Dip it like it's hot.
wait.
Dip it like it's hot. Okay.
Dip, dip,
Gabi.
dip it.
One.
Okay, okay, cheers!
Dito ka sa gitna para kita ka dun sa kanan.
Cheers!
Kampay! Okay nga.
That's loud, huh?
Yeah, I just went to that one.
Oh, I heard it.
You heard that?
Go ahead, crunch, crunch.
Cheers!
Crunch it, crunch it.
Wow.
Ooh, that's crunchy. You got it here
Why
first.
didn't you like some
It's
chicharon?
the crunchiest chicharon.
It's actually fresh, you know.
It's very good.
Shut up.
Now, this is just vinegar, right?
Vinegar, yeah.
Okay.
You want to try it?
I did. I did. It was very good.
No, I forgot pala. I took it pala.
All right, let's enjoy. We'll come right back, folks, with some more. Thanks for watching. Be right back. 1, 2, 3.
Record it. Okay, you just edit this later.
Go.
Oh my god, that's big. Oh my, that's the best one, huh? She got the best chicharon.
Hey guys, that's about wraps it up. Have a great night. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, give us a like, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching our video.
thank you so
And where's
much.
Karen? Where's Karen?
Karen, where are you? Karen, we miss you already.
Shout out to Karen. She needed to go. See you guys again. Bye.
Thank you so much.